Life isn't always easy, it isn't always fair, but it's always ours. If there's one truth I've learned, it's that the responsibility to fix our lives lies in our hands, no one else's. I'm not here to tell you that life will hand you everything on a silver platter. I'm not here to say you won't face obstacles, that you won't have days where you feel like giving up. But I am here to tell you that no matter where you are, no matter how far you've fallen, you can fix your life. 1. Take responsibility. The first step to fixing your life is to take responsibility. We live in a world where it's easy to blame others, our parents, our upbringing, our circumstances. But until you take responsibility for your life, nothing will change. It's easy to point fingers, but what's hard is looking in the mirror and saying, "This is on me." It's hard, but it's necessary. Because when you take responsibility, you take back control. You're no longer a victim of your circumstances. You become the master of your destiny. 2. Work hard. Work smart. Fixing your life takes hard work. There are no shortcuts, no magic formulas. But hard work alone isn't enough. You've got to work smart too. Learn from your mistakes. Adapt. Be willing to change your approach if what you're doing isn't working. The definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over and expecting different results. So if something isn't working, change it. And while you're working, stay focused. Don't get distracted by what others are doing. Don't compare your journey to theirs. You're not in competition with anyone but yourself. Keep your eyes on your goals and keep moving forward. 3. Surround yourself with the right people. The people you surround yourself with have a huge impact on your life. If you want to fix your life, you've got to surround yourself with people who uplift you, who challenge you, who inspire you to be better. Cut out the negativity. Distance yourself from those who bring you down, who don't believe in you, who don't support your dreams. You don't need that in your life. Instead, seek out mentors, friends, and colleagues who share your values, who encourage you, who push you to be the best version of yourself. Remember, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, so choose wisely. 4. Embrace failure. Failure is not the end, it's a stepping stone. Every successful person you admire has failed, probably more times than you can count. But the difference between them and those who stay down is that they didn't let failure define them. They let it refine them. When you fail, and you will, don't see it as a sign that you're not good enough. See it as a lesson. What did you learn? How can you do better next time? Embrace failure, because it's through failure that we grow, that we learn, that we become stronger. 5. Stay true to your values. In your journey to fix your life, never compromise your values. It's easy to lose sight of what's important when you're focused on success. But true success isn't just about what you achieve, it's about how you achieve it. Stay true to your values, even when it's hard, even when it's tempting to take the easy way out. Because at the end of the day, when all is said and done, you want to look back on your life and be proud of who you are, not just what you've accomplished. 6. Keep the faith. Finally, keep the faith. Life is full of ups and downs, twists and turns. There will be times when you feel like giving up, when you can't see the light at the end of the tunnel. But it's in those moments that you've got to dig deep, hold on to your faith, and keep going. Believe that things will get better. Believe that you have the strength, the courage, the resilience to overcome whatever life throws at you. Because you do. And if you ever doubt that, just look back at how far you've come. Remember the obstacles you've already overcome, the battles you've already won. Fixing your life is not about perfection. It's about progress. It's about taking one step at a time, making one small change after another. It's about refusing to settle, refusing to give up, refusing to let life defeat you. You have the power to change your life. You have the power to be whoever you want to be, to achieve whatever you want to achieve. But it starts with you. It starts with taking responsibility, setting goals, working hard, surrounding yourself with the right people, embracing failure, staying true to your values, and keeping the faith. So go out there and fix your life, because you're worth it, and the world needs what you've got to offer. Thank you for watching. Kindly share your thoughts with us in the comment section.